What I'm doing here today is replacing the water pump in an RV. Purchased a new water pump, and there is an arrow on the strainer as well as on the front of the water pump. That'll go on your suction side. I just took some Teflon tape, put it on the threads there, and attached the strainer. Next, you want to make sure that your pump is turned off and drain the water from the water lines. Find your low point drains and get all the water out of the lines. Help ensure you get all the water out. Just open your faucets. The water all drained out, place your caps. Next, what I'll do is take and disconnect our suction line coming out of our water tank there. I did get a new connector here. This one happens to be one of those quad ports for a flow jet. I'm going to put it on straight and then mount our new pump this way. I'm going to disconnect the hose here for the line and put our new fitting on there. Okay, with that swivel connection tightened up there, now we can go and remove the other side of the pump there. Small amount of water might come out, so you might want to have a rag nearby. Next, what we're going to do is take care of our wiring here. We're going to clip the wires from our old one, and want to make sure that our fuse holder is connected in line, and if you don't have one, you would want to purchase one and then splice that in. Now with those wires clipped, we can just take the 4 screws out and take out our old water pump. Okay, now we'll hook our new pump up. We'll take and put a little connector on there and slide that in. These are the shrink type ones. Just overlap them a little bit, and then we'll hit that with the heat gun. Okay, got the wires spliced together there. Got a good 10 amp fuse in there. What you want to do is make sure that your new unit that you're putting in is equivalent to the old one. If you are using the shower, that will use about 1.5 gallons per minute, and if you're just using a faucet, that's going to take about 3/4 of a gallon per minute. So if you want to use them both at the same time, you would need a little bit around 3 gallons per minute to ensure that you have enough water. And the pressure needs to be under 60 psi for the plumbing, so you don't burst a pipe. Now we'll place the new pump onto the floor there, mount it, and hook the water lines up. Okay, I got the supply line coming in here, the suction line coming out of the water tank, and I got the pressurized water coming out. I like where it's at, so I'm going to go and put the 4 screws in there. Okay, now that I got it screwed down, I'll turn the pump on and I'll check it for leaks. Lastly, I'll take a piece of hose there, put it on the other connector for winterizing. And what I'm also going to do is take and insulate that pipe there so it doesn't vibrate as much, be a little quieter. And for my friends up north, for Breek, you Canada.